Welcome to this short video. I'm Jedynak. You're about to discover how to fix feet faster without spending a single cent. Plus, how to win over $2,000 of fabulous CPD, including a place in the new foot mobilisation workshops. What do podiatrists, physiotherapists, osteopaths and chiropractors all need when it comes to treating patients? Yep, these. Your hands. And you already have a pair. But are you getting the absolute most from them? Are your hands the best tools in your toolkit? If you answered no, then this video is definitely for you. This quick vlog will reveal the 4 simple and specific steps to mastering joint assessments so that you can be more confident in assessing and treating your MSK patients. Your hands are about to become new superpower. We've created a free comprehensive course which has 4 step-by-step lessons in total to transform your hands into your new superpower. Lesson 1 is assessing joint qualities so that you can determine which MSK structure is affecting or causing your patient's problems. Lesson 2 is your consult process so that you can easily manage your patient's concerns and considerations. This lesson includes the 3 key questions every patient is considering every time they see you. Lesson 3 is key references, which give you a solid evidence-based rationale. And lesson 4, wisdom from your peers. You'll discover what your peers have helped them to accelerate their joint assessment superpower. Plus, lesson 1 outlines the details of what you need to do to be in the running to win 12 months of manual therapies training in foot mobilisation techniques. This includes our new fully catered 2-day live workshop, online tutorials and online courses totaling $2,094 in CPD value. Wow! Yes, wow! All you have to do now is click the link on this page, fill in the details of where we can send your free course on developing your new joint assessment superpower. It's that easy. You'll be well on your way to discovering how your hands can be the best tools in your toolkit. And by the way, the winner of the manual therapies training will be chosen at the end of this month, so get on board now. You've got to be in it to win it. Click the link and start the simple process of developing your new superpower so that your patients can reap the benefits. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, serve with spirit, consult with care, and help more people today.